Tesla changed the electric car world, but now something unexpected is happening. High-performance electric sedans from China are delivering serious power, long driving range, and advanced features at prices that force buyers to stop and think. This is not about beating Tesla at the top. This is about making Tesla's price hard to justify. The Tesla Model S Plaid is the benchmark. In the United States, it costs about $90,000. It delivers over 1,000 horsepower, brutal acceleration, and cutting-edge software. It is fast, extreme, and expensive. But today, several electric sedans from China offer a different kind of threat. They may not all be faster, but they offer more usable performance, strong range, advanced features, and far better value for money. The Tesla Model S Plaid produces around 1,020 horsepower with instant torque that launches the car to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Its driving range is about 390 miles on a full charge. It is sold primarily in the United States and select global markets at a price of roughly $90,000. The Plaid represents maximum performance, but for many buyers, it is far more than they actually need and far more than they want to pay. First, the Xiaomi SU7 Max. The Xiaomi SU7 Max is proof that a technology company can enter the car industry and immediately disrupt expectations. This electric sports sedan delivers around 673 horsepower and approximately 838 Newton-meters of torque through an all-wheel drive system. Acceleration to 60 miles per hour takes about 2.8 seconds, placing it firmly in high-performance territory. The SU7 Max offers a driving range of up to 497 miles on a full charge, making it one of the longest-range electric sedans in its class. Inside, the car focuses heavily on software integration, large displays, seamless connectivity, and intelligent driver assistance, all areas where Xiaomi's technology background becomes a major advantage. In its home market and in projected European pricing equivalents, the Xiaomi SU7 Max sits around $42,000 to $45,000. Since launch, Xiaomi has delivered well over 100,000 units of the SU7 family in China. Compared to the Model S Plaid, the SU7 Max delivers more usable range, advanced digital features, and thrilling performance at less than half the price. That makes the Plaid feel excessive rather than essential. Second, the Neo ET7. The Neo ET7 takes a more premium approach, positioning itself as a luxury performance sedan rather than a pure speed machine. It produces approximately 644 horsepower and about 850 Newton-meters of torque through a dual-motor all-wheel drive layout. Acceleration to 60 miles per hour takes roughly 3.8 seconds, fast enough to feel genuinely powerful in real-world driving. Depending on battery configuration, the Neo ET7 offers a driving range between 315 and 360 miles. One of its standout advantages is comfort. The ride quality, cabin materials, and noise isolation are closer to traditional luxury sedans than to aggressive performance cars. Neo also offers battery swapping in supported markets, reducing downtime and charging stress. The ET7 is sold in China and across Europe, including Germany, Norway, and the Netherlands. European pricing places it between $77,000 and $99,000 depending on configuration. Against the Model S Plaid, the ET7 trades extreme acceleration for superior comfort, flexibility, and premium feel, appealing to buyers who want performance without sacrificing refinement. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to share this video with more motorsport fans like you and helps our channel continue to grow. Third, the Zeekr 001. The Zeekr 001 blends strong power with long-distance capability. It delivers approximately 536 horsepower with immediate torque and reaches 60 miles per hour in about 3.8 seconds. The car feels heavy and planted at speed, offering stability that inspires confidence on highways and long journeys. Its large battery enables a driving range of up to 369 miles on a full charge, making it a true long-range performance sedan. The interior emphasizes quality materials, advanced safety systems, and a refined driving experience rather than aggressive minimalism. The Zeekr 001 is sold in several European markets with a price around $77,000. Compared to the Model S Plaid, it offers slightly less raw speed, but far better balance between performance, comfort, and range, all at a significantly lower price. Fourth, the BYD Seal Performance. The BYD Seal Performance Edition is one of the most dangerous competitors on this list because it targets the heart of the market. It delivers around 523 horsepower and roughly 670 newton-meters of torque, accelerating to 60 miles per hour in about 3.8 seconds. Its battery capacity of 82.5 kilowatt-hours provides a driving range of about 323 miles, which is more than enough for daily use and long trips. BYD's battery technology is widely regarded as one of the safest in the industry, adding another layer of confidence for buyers. The Seal Performance is sold widely across Europe, including Germany, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and Norway. Pricing sits around $54,000. BYD has sold hundreds of thousands of Seal units globally across all variants. Compared to the Model S Plaid, the Seal delivers strong performance, solid range, and high safety at nearly half the price. This is how market dominance slowly erodes. Fifth, the XPeng P7. The XPeng P7 focuses on intelligent driving and balanced performance. It produces around 467 horsepower and delivers smooth, controlled acceleration to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. With a driving range of approximately 315 miles, the P7 remains practical for everyday driving while offering advanced driver assistance features that rival more expensive competitors. XPeng's strength lies in software, with systems designed to reduce driver fatigue and improve long-distance comfort. The XPeng P7 is sold in multiple European markets with a price around $55,000. Compared to the Model S Plaid, it offers enough performance to feel exciting, modern technology, and a dramatically lower price, making it one of the strongest value propositions in the electric sedan market. The Tesla Model S Plaid is still an engineering achievement, but the market has changed. Buyers now look beyond raw speed. They care about value, range, comfort, and price. These Chinese electric sedans do not need to be faster than the Plaid. They only need to be good enough, affordable enough, and real enough to make buyers hesitate. And once hesitation begins, dominance is no longer guaranteed. If you enjoy content like this, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe because we're just getting started. Stay sharp, stay fast, and stay curious. See you in the next video.